Local news for Tuesday the 16th of April. There's been a slight downturn in business confidence, possibly as a result from increased pressure from compliance and staffing issues. Business Wairarapa sends out a confidence survey to its members once every 3 months in conjunction with the Wellington Regional Chamber of Commerce. Water New Zealand says the government needs to improve and move quickly to set up a new independent drinking water regulator. This after E. coli has been discovered in Martinborough's drinking water for a second time, and just days after an independent review found significant shortcomings in the design, operation and management of the town's water supply. A fundraiser for powerlifter Joseph Teofilo held at Strength Nation last weekend saw well over $5,000 raised and over 20,000 calories burnt. Joseph is off to the World Powerlifting Champs in Tokyo later this year. And in sport, the Wairarapa United men went down 5-2 at the weekend to Waterside Karori, while the women picked up a great win 2-0 over Petone.